Good morning, and let's tell you about the top 5 stocks that you need to keep an eye out on in today's trading session. Well, with the Q4 updates trickling in, let's start off by watching out for none other than Avenue Supermarts or DMart. The standalone Q4 revenue as per their updates is up about 18% at 7,303 crore rupees. This is on a year-on-year basis. They have also added about 13 stores in the quarter, and they've gone ahead and said that the sales of the stores that are open for 2 years or more have seen a growth of about 6% on a year-on-year basis. The sales were down about 9.4% on year in the first fortnight of March 2021, and that's of course on account of the COVID pandemic. Moving on then, Sobha Developers has also come out with their Q4 updates, and here's what they have to say. The Q4 FY21 has been the best ever quarter in the history of the company. They say that the sales volumes and the total sales value as well as the total price realization has been up 48%, 54% and 5% respectively if they were comparing to Q4 of FY20. They also say that the average cost of borrowing has further come down in the quarter. In fact, CITI has a report on Sobha. They maintain a buy with a target price at 520, saying that the strong realizations and robust new launches will drive growth. The average interest cost has reduced further, and they maintain a buy led by the quality of operations on Sobha Developers. Bajaj Finance, keep an eye out on this one with their Q4 updates as well. They say that the AUM stood at 1.53 lakh crores versus 1.47 lakh crores on a year-on-year basis. Bajaj Finance also says that they remain very well capitalized with the capital adequacy ratio or CRAR standing approximately at 28.4% as of 31st March 2021. The company's deposit book stood at approximately 25,800 crore rupees. This is versus 21,427 crores on a year-on-year basis. Credit Suisse has a report out. They maintain a neutral rating on Bajaj Finance with a target at 5,600, saying that the loan growth is recovering, but it's still below the normal levels. They expect that loan growth will slow down to about 21% CAGR over the medium term. It will be at about 35% CAGR, and they look for an upward revision in the FY22 credit cost guidance of 1.6 to 1.7%. Watch out for JSPL in today's trading session, as the steel producer has reported a 34.4% rise in their output. They say their sales grew about 37.4% during the quarter ended March 31st. They also have updated that they have produced 2.07 million tons of steel compared to 1.54 million tons in the last year. And Marico is on CLSA's radar. They maintain an underperform with the target price at 425, saying that the strong top line growth is likely on account of a low base. They see an inflationary impact playing out on the earnings and believe that we will see earnings lower by about 10%. They also say that management expects inflationary pressure to be transient in nature.